Welcome to Geography A. This is an instructional video on how to navigate the course and important things to look out for. So the first thing that you probably want to know is what you need to turn in and when it's due. If you click right here, there's the assignment due dates. And that'll come up and it has the due date, when it is due, and the name of the assignments and the day of the week. If you'll notice up here, it says, if you would like to resubmit assignments, please make contact with me. Super important. We don't penalize for late work, but a lot of times students might not do as well as they anticipated on an assignment and want to try and do better. So if that's the case, in Canvas, you're only allowed to submit it once. But if you reach out to me and talk to me, I'll reopen the assignment for you to submit another one, or you can email it to me, because a lot of times we have off days and that kind of stuff. Other important things, if you are in the athletics or anything that needs extracurricular for eligibility, right here is the eligibility check dates, and here's a link to PowerSchool. My contact information is right here. Here's the room number for my classroom, and these are the times and days that I am available. The other times and days you can try and get a hold of me, but a lot of times I'm teaching in my classroom and that kind of stuff. So the best way to get a hold of me not during these hours is by email. And then down here is your introduction to geography, and if you click here, that's how you will get started, right? And so then you could click on the student survey. That'll bring you to a survey that you need to fill out, and just give me some contact information and that kind of stuff. Makes things go a lot smoother. Then when you want to get started, we click here. You can go through. A lot of times these issues have been popping up. If you are in Google Chrome and these issues happen, right? So like say something doesn't load on the page. Go to Internet Explorer and try it on Internet Explorer. Then anytime you want to get home, you can click up here. You can click here. This hides that course navigation bar. That will open it back up. This has grades and all that kind of stuff. So if you click here, that'll bring you back to the home page. And again, if at any time you have any issues in the course, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I will do my best to solve the problem. Thank you.